Hello everyone, welcome back to that cyber guy. Are you having issues to connect to the Wi-Fi? So, if so, this video may be a great way for you to fix your Wi-Fi. So many times, our Wi-Fi, for some reason we cannot be connected, or your Wi-Fi get connected and just keep losing the signal, even though the signal is strong. So you're in the right place. So today we are going to demonstrate a few ways to fix your Wi-Fi. Now, are you ready to just fix your Wi-Fi? Buckle up and let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. So my Wi-Fi is already connected, but this is what I always do when I have Wi-Fi issues. So I want you to go to the search bar and type for CMD, hit enter, and then that's it, guys. So what I want to do, I want to just change the color to green, color A, because I love this better, and I clear the screen. So the first thing that we are going to try to do, you see, like when your Wi-Fi is connected with DHCP, if you don't know what DHCP is, I will please urge you to go back to our videos on networking, and you can learn everything about IP addresses, DHCPs, etc. So because it is connected, an IP address is assigned automatically. Sometimes there might be confusion. So that's why what we are trying to do today first, but we are going to try to release the IP address. Okay, to do so we can just type ipconfig config /release. So what this is gonna do, this is going to release the current IP address and hit enter. Now this may take a while. Okay, but we release the IP address. And then the other thing that we're gonna do now, we're gonna renew it. ipconfig /renew. And then what's gonna happen here, this is gonna just give us a new IP address. As you can see, I lost connection now, and it's gonna try to get reconnected, because with DHCP you automatically assign to a new IP address. So if this fix your issue, so congratulations. But if this doesn't fix your issue, what you can try to do, you can just try to flush the DNS. So to do so, we can type ipconfig /flush DNS. And then hit enter. So the cache has been flushed, because a lot of things happen when you just go to the internet, things trying to get connected and reconnected, and things save into the cache. For example, when you go to a website for the first time, it takes longer than the second time because it's already saved as a cache. And then if this is fix your issue, you're all good to go. Sometimes some people, you might try this one as well, netsh. SH is very important. You can just see profile, for example, connected all the Wi-Fi that has been connected to your computer, or we can try to just winsock a reset. Yeah, elevation. So because I didn't do it as admin, what you can actually do in that matter, I can type CMD, and I can right click and then run as admin. And then wow, now we can just give it a different color. Let's see, color A. Let's give it a color red, color C. All right. Now we can do the netsh winsock reset. Yeah, you must restart your computer. To restart your computer, what you can do, you can just shutdown -R. So automatically it restart your computer. Now if you need time, make sure that you save all your whatever you're doing so you don't just lose it. So if you need time, you can do shut down -R and -T for time, and then the amount of time. For example, if you wanna wait for 60 seconds, you can press 60. And then if you wanna do force all the application to restart at the same time, you can press -R and -F and hit enter. All right, so if you have any questions, you still have issues with your Wi-Fi, make sure that you put them into the comment section so we can help you further. So that's it, guys. Cybersecurity YouTube channel. Make sure that you visit our playlist. Even though you may not be interested in tech, but cybersecurity is something that everybody has to be aware of. Because if you're using the internet, it's very important for you to understand how hackers operate so you can protect yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, stay secure.